next thing we're gonna do is hook this hook bar into here. The thing is, the directions is wrong. I've been playing with this for like 2 hours, and I just figured out the directions have it backwards. Anyways, you get this little gadget here, and it's already screwed in right here. Just take the screw out, take this side out. Then we wanna go ahead and pop this into here. And now what we wanna do is get this hook bar right here. And what you wanna do is put it in, and you wanna push down. And the thing is, we wanna get it through here, this hook in here, okay? Now, I have issues. This is supposed to go all the way in and out of the, this is part of the steering wheel here. There's a hole in the back of here that you have to play with it, okay? You have to keep playing with the other side here. And then I have the hole out now. Now you gotta kind of put it in like that. And now if I turn it over, we can see that this part came through here. So now that I have that out there, let me go ahead and turn this back over now. And this piece right here, now we have to go ahead and put this back, these screws back into here. So now I kind of have to like turn this to find exactly where it goes into.
MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here, up, there, up, everywhere.
Okay, so you see the hook right here? We want to put this on this side here, okay? Again, the directions are all wrong. They have it backwards. And then you have this pin here, pop it in there, and then open these two ends up. There's a hole in the top of the hook, on the tippy top of the hook here. Ah, there we go. You can see how that's. Let's put the steering wheel on now. So we have the steering wheel here, and you have these screws here. It was right in here. I just unscrewed this part here. You also have this in the steering wheel here. You have two AA batteries in here. Go ahead and unscrew that. Pop the two AA batteries in there. Okay, so now I got to line it up with this hole here and here. So I need this steering wheel rod to come out more. It's not coming out more, so let me go under here and play around with this.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Okay, so here's the main power cable here. Okay, so here's the fuse box here, and you have this one wire dangling. What you got to do is pop that wire, slide it in there right into here. Just push that in there, and it should start up. Yep.
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
guys want to charge it, there's a plug right down here. You simply, right under the seat right there, you just pop that in right there. All right, so for the final step here, I have to pair the remote here. It's apparently not working here. Let me go ahead and pull the batteries out of here first. Pull it out, then let me go ahead and put it back in here. Long press this here, 2 to 4 seconds. All right, I can see it flashing now. Now let's turn it on. Okay, there, go forward. Yeah, there you go. Not press the pedal. It's okay, go ahead. Go forward. Forward. Nice, nice. Forward. You gotta go forward.